Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and I put out a short that had my Subaru engine leaking a head gasket. So I'm going to change that head gasket today. I'm not going to show how to change it. I'm just going to do it without filming because it goes a whole lot faster. Plus, I've already shown how to do head gaskets and everything on Subaru. But the one I'm putting back in is really, actually, it's a pretty good one. Elring 567700 is the part number. And yeah, there we are. And that is the one I'm going to be putting back in. So, hopefully, this will go good. And, well, let's just see. Let's just get it on the way, and then I'll show you the old head gasket when I get it out. So there we are with the head gasket already done on the vehicle. Got her done today. Well, you wouldn't have known that anyways, would you? If I got her done today or a week from today. Yeah. Okay, and I do see a problem here. So it was leaking in this corner here, but there shouldn't be a little bend in it like that. So I don't know why. And yeah, of course, yeah, it looks good because it was just put in. So it hardly had any runtime on it. So it looks great. Everything looks great. It looked very nice. But for some reason, there is, did it not go down tighten right? Was there a mistake on tightening it? Because there is a curve to it, if you can see, in the corner where it was leaking. Now, I would have figured that that wouldn't have been a problem because, you know, you're tightening it down. But what if one of the, this is a multi-layer, by the way. It's a multi-layer. I think this one's an ITM. Nope, this one is not. This one is Engine Tech. So this one's an Engine Tech. And I put back in an Elring, as I just did. The other side has an Engine Tech. But I'm not getting any leaks out of that. So, yeah, look at, there is a crease here, you can see. So, could this have been me installing it badly? Really? Me installing it badly? I can't believe you would even be thinking of that. Or was there something else in there? Because I checked the head, I checked the block, there's nothing there. And you know, tightened it back down, torqued it, did a great job. So, yeah, I'm not sure. And it's got quite the crease here. Like, this is kind of weird, and it was leaking quite a bit. So, well, I'm going to go pour some antifreeze in it, and we're going to see if it leaks now. All right, we're going to pour some more antifreeze in the Subaru. We're going to see if it leaks out of the head gasket area. Hopefully it does not, since I just replaced that with doing lots of work today. But I guess I'm still finding motivation to work on this, which I'm glad, because I do want to get it done before winter comes so I can drive it. But I've wasted way too much of this antifreeze here. You know, antifreeze ain't cheap anymore, especially this blue Subaru stuff. It ain't cheap at all. So, I'm gonna have to go grab some more. Dang. Alright, let's pour a little more antifreeze. See if we got any leaking. So, we are full. So, we'll give her a few minutes. And we'll see if it starts leaking under the vehicle. So, I'm kind of looking at this more, this one here. And yeah, it's got... don't know what happened, but I guess that was the problem, because I don't see it leaking and the fluid is not going down under the vehicle now. So, okay, I'm guessing we fixed the problem. It only took a lot of hard work again to get all of this apart, take the belt off, do all of that. I got it all done in 5 hours. So, it's so much fun. But, yeah, I can begin to hopefully be finished up on this and get her running again. And, wow, and maybe next week I'll be able to put the exhaust on it. I'll get the front suspension put back together, hopefully, soon. And I gotta still work on the rear suspension. This fender's off. I had to do some fixing on that. As in, yeah, I had to take a hammer and block wood to it to smack it out to almost where it looks like a fender again. And I think I did a mighty darn good job. So there you go. She's not leaking. It's been about an hour. This reservoir. She's still full. So hopefully that'll be it for the leaks. There's no leaks underneath. I've been doing some other things, putting in the few things while I've been waiting around, trying to get the suspension back up and going. And no leaks. So I think we got her. I think she's good. And that makes me very happy. And now to continue on and get the rest of her all finished up, because man, it's been a long go. And finally got the right pipes. They finally had a couple of Subarus at the wrecker, so I was able to get the right pipes that I needed instead of making some up that weren't correct. And glad that's coming together. All right, thanks for watching. This is kind of just an update on that short and that I put in now about 5-6 hours into getting this new head gasket on this thing. It's an Elring. I'll leave it in the description what type, and yeah, we'll go from there from now on and see how much of this I get done over the next week. Hopefully I get lots done. Thanks for watching.